Hello guys, welcome back. And this website, I share with you much more videos about this website. This website is one of the best because this much registered users, this much withdraw, and this much faucet claim from this website. And a lot of you came here register in this website and then start earning. And to register, just click sign in. I click sign up. Okay, just show you the registration. They put your username, email, password, confirm password, solve the captcha. You can easily sign in up. Okay, put your username and password and just click the capture. Recapture is a capture. Just click log. And now you can see I have this all cryptocurrency available: Bitcoin, 44 Satoshi, Ethereum Cash, Monero, Litecoin. This is all cryptocurrency available in here. And how you can start earning from this website in here, I go in the top, we have free tokens. You can go in short links mining offer walls, but I just tell you the short links is better than otherwise. And every 24 hours the available short links is 69 available short links. You can watch it. And the next way is a faucet. Okay, this one way is auto faucet. Another way is a manual faucet. You watch short links, you earn FCT, then you convert FCT to any cryptocurrency you want, and at that time you can convert it. And right now I want to withdraw. Just I click withdraw. In here, which cryptocurrency I love to withdraw, like Bitcoin, and I just click in here faucetpay to process. Click maximum. Okay, it's maximum, and in here I just click recapture, click it, solve it, recapture, and then I click withdraw. Okay, okay, I didn't know what's the payment. I can exchange the cryptocurrency. I go for Litecoin. Okay, it's the internet connection is very slow. About that, this didn't work too much fast. Because of that, I pause the video for a few seconds to this will be processed. Okay, right now you can see the email address is popping in here. Because of that, it didn't withdraw me the amount. You can see this account will be sent my Satoshi, and this is the withdrawal amount, total withdrawal amount. I go to my faucet pay to reload the page to show you this website sent me or not. Okay, this is all about the internet connection. It's too hard to turn this on. Is a rabbit, just click. All of these about the internet connection. Okay, my internet connection is very slow. About that, it's reloading every time. You can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucet pay. Thanks for watching, guys. And you can claim all of the amount in here available because my internet connection is very slow. I can't withdraw all of these faster, and about that, it's too hard to me for withdrawing. You can see the reloading is not complete. The page will be reload, and you can withdraw all of the cryptocurrency without any second, and you can exchange the cryptocurrency you want to exchange to any cryptocurrency you want. Like I have Ethereum Classic, I didn't need it, and faucetpay didn't need the Ethereum Classic. Okay, or I have a Monero, the website didn't need it. I didn't have a account like this one. I changed to maybe Litecoin. This much Litecoin Satoshi I receive for this much Ethereum Classic. Or you can going to exchange to any cryptocurrency you want. You tether, you can just click exchange, is alpha capture, sorry. Then you can click exchange, you can exchange your amount. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys, and you can see my story. A lot of time I withdraw like Litecoin, and I have all of the cryptocurrency right now available. And if you want to make much more amount, just watch the all of the short links and you can make much more amount from here. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.